What's the meaning of airbridge? Airbridge. 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 An airbridge refers to a temporary or permanent aerial connection between two or more places, typically used for transportation purposes. This can include the use of aircraft, helicopters, or even drones to move people, goods, or supplies across distances that are difficult or impossible to traverse by road or sea. The benefits of an airbridge include faster delivery times, improved accessibility, and the ability to reach areas that are otherwise inaccessible. However, airbridges can also be expensive and environmentally damaging if not managed properly.